6 runs at 8.3 per over.
And it's gone straight to the man who's in between a third man and a deep point. Goes over mid-off. Will it go all the way? Yes. An academic cracking 6. Oh, he goes over point.
It's sitting on the fence. Oh, has he got this? Has he got it? It looks like he might have. Yes, he has.
Free hit. Goes high. Short side of the ground.
Gone. This time, Owen Morgan makes no mistake. Full toss. Will it be put away? Has it been put away? Just over the boundary line.
How well, well enough, I think. Man at mid-wicket is just watching it sail over his head. Slow ball out towards deep mid-wicket, but sounded good. And it is top tier. Oh, yeah. Big.
Doesn't get hold of it. It's well stopped in the end. He almost misread the bounce and the pace after bouncing. Oh, goodness, no. Almost. And important runs, important boundary. Down to long off and taken. Flashbacks of so many times before. Yes. That's the match. Surely it is. In the end, redemption of sorts for the Punjab Kings. Only just. They win here by 5 wickets.